G'day fellas, I want to introduce you to Voltex's new 240V photoelectric smoke alarm. It features a 10-year lithium backup battery, which will never need to be replaced in the product's lifetime. It can be easily interconnected with the same model or our 10-year battery-only version. Interconnection can be achieved either by hardwiring or wireless pairing using this additional module. Once connected, the unit can simply be mounted using the supplied screws. It's that easy, and as always it's covered by our 7-year product warranty. But if you have any questions or comments, please contact us. Thanks for watching.